This is Yousof Naderi, CEO and co-founder of DeepCharge. We are building the foundational platform for operational reliability for enterprise devices. What that means, we make sure enterprise devices are always charged, tracked, and ready to go. We have started by eliminating multi-billion-dollar problem in logistic warehouses related to the devices that they have, and we are expanding to other enterprise customers. DeepCharge technology is a game-changing and unique one. We have been built a state-of-the-art, protected technology for high-volume device charging, along with integration with a state-of-the-art AI that track, manage devices and predict their failure hours before it happens. Our wireless technology is state-of-the-art. We provide high-volume device charging at a scale that is not exists with other competitors in the market. And our game-changing multi-signal intelligent AI platform really track, manage, and predict device downtime hours before it happens. It's that integrated hardware and software technology that make DeepCharge unique. DeepCharge momentum has been tremendous over the last 2 years. We have signed up and worked with the Fortune 500 companies and deployed our system at a scale that has not been seen in the industry. We process more than 4 million devices over the last 2 years, process, charge, and manage, and that enables us to collect tremendous data for our AI and be able to really serve our customer in a day-to-day operation. We are looking currently for strategic partners to work with us, including technology vendors, and also for enterprise customer that would be interested to move their issue and bottleneck with devices and device uptime to the next level. If you are a technology provider and you love to offer a new service, a game-changing service to your customer, please reach to us. Center for Research Innovation has played a critical role in the journey of the DeepCharge. From day zero, we worked with CRI to build the protection, intellectual property of DeepCharge technology. And it has been a critical partnership. And as we expand our work and journey, we receive different type of the support from networking, connections, and resources to enable us really to move and hit our milestones as we went through this journey.